What's good with y'all, man? It's your boy Do You Hear Me 392 coming back at y'all with another video. Y'all see we in action, we in traffic with it. My window's dirty as fuck. But you know what I'm saying? We are in traffic with it right now. We really got some shit out here today, you feel me? Really got some shit. We got the GT. We got the GT 350 outside playing with us today. You know what I'm saying? Y'all already know it's the regular game, but we got a few extra people in here with us, you know what I'm saying? I told them we was cruising today, but they want to cut up. Nigga, gas is way too fucking high for this shit, bro. I'm not doing all that cutting up shit. Like, I'm on some chill shit today. These niggas want to run it. I'm not having it, bro. I just paid $50 for a half a tank. $54 for a half a tank. I ain't doing it, bro. Hell no. I'm cool. But yeah, man, we heading to this little meet in Luxembourg. Same shit like it used to be. Same joint like it was before. When we went to Luxembourg, it was like the parking garage. Same vibe. But yeah, man, I'm on some chill shit. I'm gonna let them do that thing, get active. I'm really not gonna be doing too much like POV type shit, cause I'm not doing no racing today, bro. I'm not running my shit. I'm literally on some cruising shit. So they got that. But of course, I'm gonna pick the camera up when we got action. Y'all know I'm gonna always give y'all that footage. But yeah, man, we'll pick it up once some shit really start kicking off. So we at the location now. Y'all see big ruck in this motherfucker, you feel me? But yeah, my boy. Of course we gonna get this YouTube content. Y'all already know that's mandatory, you feel me?
Un person?
What is it?
Oui, 8 euro. 8 euro. Okay. Just 1 minute.
What? It's like €8 to get in. How you doing? Yeah, like €8 to get in this motherfucker, but that's all good. Ain't nothing crazy. Get my change real quick. We gonna see what's popping in here. All right. Bye. Thank you. Okay. Thank you. I bet. Ain't really nobody here right now. So that Volkswagen clean as hell though. I ain't gonna cap. So we're gonna go up and we're gonna come back down. Y'all see who we pulled up with, man. We got the big GT 350 with us. 5.0, you know what I'm saying? Y'all already know what it is with this one right here. That boy Big Ruck in the cut. Tell him what's good with it, bro. Big Ruck, you know what I'm saying? That boy Walt. Y'all already know who he is. We got these boys pulling up in these things, man. Pulling up in these motherfucking things. I'm about to wipe the whip down real quick, get shit together. I ain't got no tire shine on my shit or nothing, so we're gonna go ahead and get that shit figured out, and then I'll turn the camera back on. My hair kind of fucked up, but it's all good. You know, we're gonna go ahead and get these motherfuckers together real quick, get them all nice and show and shine type shit. But yeah, we're gonna get them together, and then I'm gonna turn the camera back on once all of that shit is good to go, and we got some more people in here. But we did end up moving spots, so we outside now. But boy, look at the Lamb pulling up. That motherfucker crazy. Purple Lamb. That bit tough as fuck. Man, y'all give him a follow, man. Huracan 57. Big Huracan. That's nice, bro. That bit tough as hell. I wish I had Huracan money. But if I had a motherfucking shopping cart, that bitch got a shopping cart, man. Let's just show y'all a little bit of what we got going on out here tonight. The Supra. That bitch sound good. But we focusing on this SS, motherfucking 383 Chevelle. They doing a little something. The SS clean as hell. Boy, you know what I'm saying? You got a 5.0. You know what I'm saying? PP2 stain, you feel me? Big ruck with a goddamn wide body, you hear me? You know what I'm saying? And you know you got the big white beauty over here, you know what I'm saying? The big white beauty with the big white booty, you hear me? Hey look, you know what I'm saying?
Coco.
Bro, you know it's crazy, I still haven't named my car yet. I was waiting to wrap it, because I was like, oh, I can go with like Frozone, but then I wrapped it with the orange. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I ain't named that motherfucker either. I ain't gonna name it. Shit. It's called Big Booty.
Big, look.
Big Booty.
Thought about calling her Judy, boy. Judy. Yeah, I got, you know what I'm saying? Fly 435i. That boy Walt. We got another one with us. GT 350. I ain't gonna lie, boy. For the fact that I can't have my tint on the side, I think I'm gonna go ahead and tint that windshield, bro. Little light tint. I don't need nothing dark.
You wasting your time. They gonna make you take it off, dog.
They gonna be able to tell. I'm gonna hit that shit with the lightest tint they got.
You gonna be mad. What you gonna like, bro? This ain't nothing. Take it off. We got complaints.
Oh yeah, we can go and get this food. We gonna come back and get the content, but y'all already see, we already had this one pulled up.
Lambo-y.
Goddamn Lambo Huracan. But I'm gonna go grab some food real quick. Niggas a little hungry. Go grab that and then make our way back up here and see what cars is in here. I know downstairs right now they got I think they got Eurospecs downstairs or some shit like that. Then the second floor that we on, there's a whole bunch of American muscles out this motherfucker. What Walt go to? Walt, come here. Boy, is that a wrap or is it paint? That motherfucker pressure. No, the goddamn, that bit pressure. 20K. This color goes stupid. Definitely go lock in, you know what I'm saying? Zoo. Nah, this motherfucker flipping. This motherfucker flipping, boy. Nah, that bit tough. That bit flipping. Yeah, man. Hey, look, I'm following you, bro. I think we gotta go down the stairs down there, ain't it? No. Hey, they stairs over there? Oh, it's this way? Alright, man. So, we gonna come back. That motherfucker is going stupid, though. But, turn the camera back on whenever we start getting to some action. No niggas. Bro, the one in Trier, that bit bust. No niggas had to get the Pizza Hut. Niggas had to get the Pizza Hut, you feel me? See what they got on the menu. They got the little starters. I low-key don't really want no crazy shit.
Look at that large 25.
They got the wings.
That's €25. That's like $8. Yeah, and meatloaf.
Yeah, man. We about to eat real quick. See what they got. Prices, I ain't gonna lie, bro. The prices is going dumb.
I told you, bro.
I ain't know this shit with 25 off base, nigga. I know on base they be tripping, boy, but goddamn. Nigga, a pepperoni lovers cheese crust large, $27. Ain't no fucking way. What you talking about?
You trying to split a large then?
We can split the large, man. Split that motherfucker 27 3 ways.
Shit, if we're gonna do that, we might as well get a cheesy crust.
Nah, I'm looking. That's all I'm saying. The cheesy crust in that motherfucker. But I'm looking at these wings. I'm a wing nigga.
You get that on top.
Get that on $1.
Get that on $1.
Alright, man. Let me go ahead and eat. I'll show y'all what the food hitting on whenever we get done. Or whenever we get the shit, I'll show y'all what the food hitting. I'm just vlogging anyway. You know what I'm saying? Goddamn picture. Pizza done came in, but that motherfucker looking scrumptious.
L-O-L-O.
You know what I'm saying? These weak ass chicken wings. See what these bitches hitting on.
Them bitches fucking soggy.
Them shit look soggy.
They put those in the microwave.
Hey boy, glad I got barbecue sauce, bitch. Nah, this motherfucker look good as hell though. Look how the cheese pull apart from that motherfucker. Alright, man, I'm finna eat. Fuck the talk. We are back into action. M3. They 10s, but I keep them clean though. Ha! Let's see what action and pulled up in here. That joint not as deep as it was last time though.
I bet you they closed it off.
Probably so.
They probably all the McDonald's again.
Man, that big. See the Charger though. Big old school motherfucker, man. Big old school.
Nice Charger. Crazy.
Big old school. We got, what's the name over here? They rap cold too. Hey man, that's you making all that noise, man.
Hi,
What's going on? Yeah. You said you did the ECU swap, right?
Yes, football.
Yeah. Crazy.
The only thing I need is the, what is it called? To get for the 455, the
Yeah.
454. I don't know the English word right
Like
now.
a tune?
No, to get more from the combustion room. Right now we've got a 6.4 liter V8.
You said it's got the what?
Right now it's a 392.
Okay.
I want to make it a 454.
Oh, the supercharger.
No, the 454. A stroker. To make a stroker. So I get a 454 stroker. And
Yeah.
I've got around.
So we got the Beamer. What is that? I think it's a Beamer over there. But yeah, man. His scat fast as fuck. That shit loud as hell. Like crazy shit, bro. Crazy as hell. But we do got the Camaro boys outside tonight. You know what I'm saying? Camaro boys definitely outside. Shout out to Sasha with the rap. That shit definitely go crazy. Motherfucking Camaros, boy. You see we did green one. They back to back with it. We got the green one too. Green with the black. I love it. That shit sound good as hell though.
That was 01?
That shit a SS, I think. I don't think it's a ZL1. I don't think it's a ZL1. Ain't got the fit. Yeah, it sound good as hell. It sound good. It sound good as shit.
It's gonna be hard to pull this stuff. It's fucking hard.
Loudest and fastest scat out this motherfucker.
What?
That shit, it's a sleeper, bro. It's a sleeper. I'm telling you, bro.
Scatty scat.
Shit is definitely a sleeper. Okay. Little firecracker over there.
Pop.
Little firecracker.
Pop.
This bitch live up here though. That bitch live as fuck up here. No cap. They doing the exhaust competition right now?
They got some scats over there. Somebody's smoking the guns on.
Beamer boy is different. Damn. The Beamer boy is different.
I'm telling you, bro.
I get the little kid out of the way, boy. The Beamer boys are different. They standing all close, that shit start spitting flames on their ass. The super tough though. Shit, a whole lot of motion right now. It's a whole lot of motion. I don't know what's going on right now, so I guess we'll figure out. This shit loud as hell. I know he's talking. He just switched his exhaust. Yeah. I look like.
Oh, super.
Super is tough.
Yeah, I'm following.
If I go to Japan, mark my words. If we make it to Japan next, just know it's either a Supra or it's gonna be a damn R34 coming to the channel. Out here, you know what I'm saying? We got a few Volkswagens, Focuses. This is the shit that we see on a normal. They acting up.
That's a taste of M, bro.
They showing out.
Them M3s be crazy, bro.
Little Chrysler 300, you feel me, with the underglow. It's not a lot. It's not a lot of like. Damn! What the fuck is that? You can't even see shit over here. That shit loud as hell. crazy. That shit going crazy.
Yeah, I got it right once.
One time, another Super in the cut. Nice and simple, you feel me? Nice and simple. Actually, is there anything over here? It ain't really shit over on this side. We'll make our way back down this way. But like, for the most part, when it comes to Germany, you gonna see a lot of fucking hatchbacks and shit like that. You don't really see a lot of, I guess, shit you think you would see. Like, everybody got fucking hatchbacks and shit. Like fucking Golfs and Polos and shit like that. Fiats and fucking Mini Coopers and shit. Okay, little R32. Oh, it's a 33. That's 32 inch. R32. I think.
That was a little sweeper right there. I didn't know.
Hey, look. You know what I'm saying? A little comic wrap on that jump. The big boy, what the fuck? This shit kind of crazy. This shit definitely crazy as hell. I ain't never seen no shit like this. That's all. Yeah, this motherfucker definitely crazy. You smell the fumes on that motherfucker? I can smell the fumes out there, bitch. They trying to get kicked out. They trying to get kicked out. They got the motherfucking Lambo. Y'all already saw this jump though. Y'all saw the Lamb. The Lamb talk go crazy. Just a bunch of fucking hatchbacks and coupes and shit. You know, we back with the motherfucking big beauty. This motherfucker's so tough, bro. Look at the lineup, bro. Just look at the lineup. This shit's so hard, bro. This shit's so hard. Alright, man, so we back with the whips. There's a third floor too, but I feel like majority of the good shit is on this floor of the parking deck. It ain't really too much more shit going on. We just on the chill shit. But I don't know. It's not as live as it was last time at all. I ain't seen the stain coming in.
Where?
Over there. I think it's another stain. But yeah. It's not really too much going on. I'm gonna turn the camera back on. I'm just gonna turn the camera off and turn the camera back on if some shit that pop up. But right now I see somebody. They got the drone flying. PP2. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Look, I hear. This shit loud as fuck. This shit loud as hell. I feel the goddamn ground vibrate. Gotta turn that motherfucker off. Gotta turn that motherfucker. Got to turn that motherfucker off. Give her one and let that shit rest. 3 spokes on that motherfucker. Let me put the burble tune on my shit. That motherfucker gonna wait the whole goddamn.
I'll put that cigarette up. I seen you looking at it.
Fuck if we do with that goddamn. Hell no. Hell no.
Bro, you're not even like.
How much?
That bitch clean as hell. That bitch clean as hell. What's good with you, boy? How you living, man? Was you able to get in here?
Yeah. Nah, I'm here. I'm fucking downstairs.
You downstairs?
What's good, bro?
You good? Yeah. How you living, man? Petty, man. Nice to meet you, bro.
I got off work. Just got off work.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, like
You just got
6
out?
o'clock.
You just like was still able to get in here like just now?
Yeah.
Damn, so they still letting people in. I think probably because people like leaving.
In and out.
It's on like what you got.
They gotta be on what you got.
I'm parked over about the McDonald's.
Oh no, so you ain't get in. That's what I'm saying, trying to run up on his ass. They on bullshit, boy. These boys working tonight. They're like, where it at? Where it at?
Keep on running.
Like, where they at? Where they at?
Yeah, supposed to be good tonight. Or they got that running back and forth.
That's what I'm saying.
Nice car, dude.
He about to rail that motherfucker. He about to rail that motherfucker. He hit a switch. Told you. I told you. Big Huracan. Big Huracan. Can't do nothing with money. Big Huracan. What we got coming through? We got a little Fiat. Fiats be getting down, bro. Fiats be getting down, bro. The Fiats be getting out. You right here? Oh, yeah. It's a one-way, my boy. Fuck is you doing? Back your ass up.
They about to have a standoff, bro.
Oh yeah, they about to goddamn start going at it.
Oh yeah, they'll call me. Yeah, they're 3 not playing. That's it.
That's sad and black. Yeah. You couldn't tell me that motherfucker wouldn't be clean on that bitch, bro.
Hey, bro, I'll give you a 40 roll. 40 roll.
That's a competition.
That shit is crazy. Matte Black is so Matte Black is big.
That's sad. That bitch got some shine too.
Oh, yeah.
Should I go sad and black? Y'all let me know. Let me know down below if I should go sad and black. It's a thought, but just let me know if that's what I should do.
Yo, they coming. I told them they was coming, bro. Gotcha.
He's spraying the Uzi out that motherfucker right now. That bitch rubbing, boy. That bitch rubbing. Hey, deep. Okay. Boy, they 6 deep. 6 deep in a goddamn 4-seater, bitch.
Hey, that's how it was, man, when we growing up, man. I'm gonna ride, bro.
Hey, you got sit on the lap, bitch.
Come on, sit.
Got sit on the lap, bitch.
That shit more injured.
Hey, look, I got some candy in the car too. I'm finna crack that motherfucker over. think everybody's trying to like leave out right now. We still in here though, you feel me?
It's still deep.
Yeah, it's still deep, but people gradually like making their way out. It ain't really nobody with no shit anyway. Everybody with some shit still like sitting around and all that. You don't let them rev it, bro. Go ahead, rev it up. It's getting though. Everybody goes to the back like
I'm telling you, but you got that motherfucker.
You like that? Fast.
They looking.
They watch.
What you want to do? You good, bro? Ain't nobody around here. That's it. Do you hear me? Do you? Hey, look. Don't expect that from these Hemis though, cause we don't do that. The Hemis don't do that. Hey, do you hear me?
I put the gang on the map, now we national. If you ain't from my side, then I'm taxing you. My bitch, she back out a bottle like Betty Boo. Can't say her name, then my little woo. She hate when I be telling like that, she know the truth. Still a pop out like I'm bulletproof. AMG big Cartier hanging at the roof. Down on my side, now the 22. Step on the opposite part of the designer shoes. Hoes on my dick, they with money. You ain't hit the target. Pull up and spray cool like a marsh. Running around, drumming my gun like a march. Put this shit on every day like I'm hard. Trap at the party till they call me.
They loving these shits coming through here, boy. His shit nice. They loving these motherfuckers, boy. And I'm acting like a straight nigga. Let me put that nigga. pretty solid. Or the car meet, solid meetup for the last one of the year with that one. Ain't really get the cut up, you know what I'm saying? We ain't really on that time. We just on some smooth shit. But nah, they was definitely loving. They was loving the scats for sure. Like, cause last time we weren't able to get in, so they didn't even see the wheels last time we was here. But nah, this time they definitely getting a whole lot of looks. I don't know why everybody kept on going to the back. I guess they kept saying they was seeing the wicker bill and they just kept looking at my shit. But little kids going up, looking at the car, let them sit in it. My boy let him rev his up and all that. So that's the shit we do it for, man. We was once the little kids that was seeing all the cool cars. Now we niggas with the cool cars and kids seeing our shit. You know what I'm saying? So that shit just, it's dope to me. You know what I'm saying? But we headed down the road now. It is like fucking, it's 11 o'clock. So we'll be back at the crib like right around 12. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut this camera out. This is gonna be the end of the vlog. So if you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Any new subscribers, y'all make sure y'all tap in, like the videos, do all that, recommend to a friend, all that. So yeah, man, until next time, do your Hit Me 392 out.
Man, hit the motherfucking button! Uncle, hit the button! What did you do? You want me to get out, nigga? You want me to hit for you?